So my name is James Cochran. I work on Upper Street, a restaurant called 1251. We opened up a month ago. This kind of restaurant is the opposite of fine dining. The element of food is still there, but as you come in for customers coming in, it's very relaxed. We don't want to make you feel stuffy. The 1251 actually came from the Strokes song. I have a good friend who lives in New York, and they were kind of really interested in doing something with me. And they were like, shall we go with this guy, shall we go with this guy? And they kind of was like, yeah, and then straight away the Strokes 1251 came on. 12 will be this restaurant and 51 will be separate entities that come off the back of that. So for example, we got our own beer coming out later on this year. We've got apparel. I have 5 chefs. Pretty lucky to be fair because I've worked with them all previously. And on front of house, we have 8 members of staff in total. So at 1251, we're open 7 days a week. We can look at doing up to 75 in the evenings and 50 for lunch, but at the moment it's pretty quiet. The experience of Great British Menu was still a bit surreal. To get to the finals is pretty special. It was very challenging. I mean, you're up against the 2 best chefs in representing London South East, and we know London South East, there's a lot of big name chefs there. I mean, it was grueling because, I mean, you're filming from 6 o'clock in the morning to 11 at night for a half-hour show, and you're repeating, constantly doing things over and over again. And there was going to be mistakes through the show, as you kind of seen, and there's many more to come as well. But overall, yeah, it was a great experience, and I would probably do it again. The success for me at 1251, for me personally, is to be putting a smile on customers' faces and bums on seats. I just want to have a successful business. I hope we'll be the new start of a new wave for new restaurants coming along here.